Going on YouTube, just a quick video showing my newly installed carbon fiber lip. It is a plastic overlay carbon fiber, but honestly that's really what you want because it's more durable. So you know, the people who are paying like $1,200 on up for a lip, it's not me. You know, like I'd rather have something durable. If something happens to it, I'll be a little hurt, but it'll be less of a pain than, you know, a time spoiler or something, because this is my daily driver. So this is just a quick YouTube of some installation instructions, since it's really not been covered. This is the popular style AG, or sometimes people call it G style lip. You can find it on eBay. Overall, it's a good fit, solid weave. There's a little bit of inconsistencies in the weave, but you get what you pay for, and I made sure the vendor I got it from, it was tolerable, right? So just some quick installation instructions. Like I said, no one's covered it, and hope this helps some people out. So let me know what you think in the comments. All right, YouTube went ahead with the lip genius himself, Jonathan and Bo. This is his garage. This kind gentleman helped me out with the installation here. And this was a task. So the goal of this video is kind of just to show y'all a few little tricks. Suggestion is install the side bolts first. You can retain factory bolts. You might have to bore out the existing drills, the holes that it came with. Like here, there was just no way I was going to get this. This is what it was drilled as. This is a bumper tab right here, so I just self-tap that, drill the pilot hole. No need to fool with that. All other ones are factory. And make sure you take some self-tapping screws to drill underneath it, just for extra support. These are my points that I use. So one right here, one right on the edge here, one offset in the middle, and you can get the idea. And what you want to do is put the 3M tape that's provided under here once you do the test fit, and it won't fit as it stands, so the self-tapping screws is what's going to bring it. Spray a little right here. The lip isn't ceramic coated, but it still serves as protection. What the hell's going on? There we go. Fail. Alright. Let's go ahead and wipe it on this. And if you never used Reload before, the silicone oxide, if my chemistry serves me correctly, I may be wrong, correct me in the comments, but you don't need a lot. You just put a fine coat on that, and that shared service protection. You may not be able to see it. Like going on, it's going on. It's a fine film, thin film, my man. So put it on the lip. And so with ceramic coating, you let it flash. So this is not as concentrated as the normal, I think it's UK 3.0. But since it's thinner and less concentrated, you can see the flash way before that. So the flash is pretty much a like a rainbow coloring. This looks like it already flashed. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. But once that happens, you just turn it over and wipe it off. And since you couldn't see it before, you may not see it come off, but you want to go ahead and get it turned off anyway. Not turned off, but y'all know what I mean. They call 6-month protection, and you know, just like any other accessory part, it's clear coated. They should treat it like your paint. Definitely got a nice little shine to it now. Definitely changes the aesthetic. Get this out in some good light so y'all can see it. I'm pretty pleased.